Understanding quiet title action property disputes can be complex, especially when there's uncertainty over who truly owns a piece of real estate. Quiet title actions exist to help resolve these conflicts and establish legal ownership, providing clarity and security for current and future transactions. Understanding how they work is essential for anyone dealing with real estate where the title might be in question. A quiet title action is a legal process designed to quiet any challenges or claims to a property's title. This is typically necessary when there are disputes involving missing heirs, improperly recorded deeds, or unresolved liens. These actions are not limited to high-conflict scenarios. They can also help correct clerical mistakes or confirm ownership when a deed is outdated or flawed. In legal terms, a quiet title action is a lawsuit filed to determine the rightful owner of a property and eliminate any competing claims. It's usually filed in a civil court and requires proper notice to all parties who may have a claim to the property. The law firm representing the plaintiff must demonstrate a valid interest in the property and clearly outline the nature of the dispute. A court judgment in favor of the plaintiff clears up the title and affirms the plaintiff's ownership. While this action doesn't automatically remove all liens, it is a vital legal tool to resolve disputes that cloud the title. So what does it actually mean to understand a quiet title action? It's about knowing when it applies, how it protects ownership rights, and the legal path it follows. One common reason to file is when a property is purchased at a tax sale and the buyer wants to eliminate previous ownership claims. Another scenario involves boundary disputes where a neighbor might claim part of the land. A quiet title action can settle that question legally. The law firm handling the case must provide sufficient evidence and comply with court procedures to obtain a ruling. This process can take several months depending on the complexity of the claims involved. The process begins with filing a complaint in the proper court, stating the facts and legal reasons why the title should be cleared. The plaintiff must then serve notice to any party who might have an interest in the property. If no one contests the claim, the court may issue a default judgment. If there is opposition, a hearing will be scheduled, where both sides present their evidence. The attorney for the plaintiff must show clear documentation supporting their claim. Once a final judgment is entered, the title is confirmed in the plaintiff's name, and any competing claims are legally dismissed. Filing a quiet title action is not a quick fix, but it's a necessary step for many property owners. It provides peace of mind and helps avoid future legal issues related to ownership. If you're facing a situation involving unclear or disputed property titles, seeking guidance from a lawyer experienced in real estate disputes is essential. An attorney familiar with quiet title procedures will ensure the case is properly presented and increase the likelihood of a favorable result. Whether it's a minor clerical error or a more complex challenge, having the right legal support can make a critical difference. If you need help resolving title issues and securing ownership of your property, reach out to the Matus Law Group. Call 732-785-4453 or visit them at 125 Half Mile Road No. 201A, Red Bank, New Jersey, 07701.